Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is Sam from DA247. So this is the video in which I'll tell you how to create your own Facebook ads account. So let's start with it. Okay, so before going into the Facebook ads platform, so you might have gone to our website. This is a website, right? So do not forget to subscribe to our website. So once you subscribe it here, you will be enrolled to a free digital marketing e-learning modules and e-learning platform and e-learning certifications, and also all these documents will be coming free to you on your email address. Okay, so these are different courses that we offer. So just to take you through before we go into the ads account creation, so we offer all the fundamental of digital marketing courses, social media courses in social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads courses for beginners, for advanced levels, SEO, affiliate marketing, blogging, and many others. So a complete platform, a whole desk of platform, a whole, you can say, concierge of digital marketing module. So it's what we do. We also provide consultations and also certifications of Google Ad and Analytics. So a one spot location for you to learn and grow. Okay, so let's come back to our main topic, that's creation of Facebook ad account. So this is the step which is very important to you. So this will be the step in which you will learn how to create your own Facebook ads account. So I log into Facebook. So as I'm logged in, I'll be totally going into my own profile here. So you want to click this button over, drop down over here. If you click this here, you will come to across through multiple connection of pages, business manager, and accounts. You have to click here, manage ads, right? And you will come to this section. So as I have a business manager, right? If you don't have a business manager, that's fine. You can create your own ad. Even if you're an ad section, your ad account will come here like this. For example, in this business manager, I have two ads here by these names, 24/7 and digital ads SD account 24/7, and this is my page. So an account has to be connected to a page. Always remember, an ad account has to be connected to a page, because without a page you cannot advertise on Facebook. So you have to have a page, because if you do not have a page, you can advertise it. So this is my page here. You can also go from here to your page, or you can even click from here and go to your settings and go to your page. Okay, so once I've done that, I can come here